Maybe if you spent some time in lockup, you'd be motivated to get to your work detail on time.
Look, man, I told you my daughter's in the hospital. She got hit by a car and they say she might die. Can't you cut me some slack?
No, I can't cut you some slack. You got your problems and I got mine. And one of my problems is getting a work detail started on time. Now, either you show up on time or you're in lockup. Got it?
Hell, just lock me up then. It's better than putting up with your crap.
Hello, I'm Tom Martin.
And I'm Tish O'Ray. We'll be your guides for the video portions of this course.
You'll learn some skills that will help you avoid scenes like the one we just saw. During this course, you'll learn a variety of practical skills that will help you in your job. Through the video segments and through classroom activities with your instructor, you'll learn how to more effectively manage the inmates in your charge. Mastering the inmate management skills taught in this course will take a great deal of practice. But once you've learned these skills, you'll be doing your job better and you'll get more satisfaction out of your work.
But what about these skills? Where do they come from? The skills you'll be taught came right out of the experiences of correctional employees just like you. The original designers of this program worked with hundreds of correctional employees in state and local agencies all over the country. Over the past 20 years, this program has been widely adopted by correctional agencies. These agencies report it is extremely successful in improving the effectiveness of their officers.
As a correctional officer, a major part of your job is to supervise inmates and manage their behavior. Now think back on your own experience in being supervised. What qualities do good managers have that make them effective in managing you, that make them successful in motivating you to do your job well? For example, one of the best supervisors I ever had always gave me his full attention and made me feel that I was really listened to. You and your instructor will develop a list of other characteristics of a good supervisor in a few minutes.
This course will teach you the skills to be an effective supervisor, and they can be learned. Here's a view of the training model we'll use to help you acquire the skills of a good manager. The basics are skills that help you size up a situation. The 4 basic skills give you information which, coupled with your knowledge of inmates, allows you to decide what action is appropriate. The add-ons are communication skills that increase your chances of getting an inmate to explore and share information with you. They're the basis for establishing working relationships at an institution. The 2 communication skills you'll study are tools you can use to learn about situations, as well as assist inmates with problems. The applications are management skills you'll need every day in managing inmates' behavior. In effect, the applications are those skills you develop when you use the basics and add-ons together. There are 3 applications skills that you'll learn through this training.
This course is taught using a systematic and cumulative approach, which means that the skills taught in each category build on all the skills that came before. Therefore, it's essential that you learn and understand the material as it's presented to you. The course is powerful because it offers you the tools and skills that will make you more effective in managing the inmates you supervise. And it's going to take serious and concentrated effort on your part to develop these skills, but the payoff is great. The payoff is simply this: the inmates you manage will be more easily controlled, and your own performance and job satisfaction will improve. Corrections professionals who have gone through the training and applied the skills report that the rewards are well worth the effort.
In this video, we'll explain the interpersonal communication concepts and then show you scenarios you can use for discussion in class. We'll also let you hear experienced correctional professionals give their perspectives on using communication skills in a correctional setting. So now you're ready to begin your exploration of interpersonal communications. Welcome to the training. We hope it serves you well.